Okay guys, this is a 2019 Ford F-350 Platinum Edition, four-wheel drive, diesel, presented you from Real Deal Auto. I sold this to a customer in 2022 with 20,000 miles on it. Rebuilt title, did have some front end damage, but been driven. It's got 60 some odd thousand miles on it now, so been a great truck for him. Heated cooled seats, tow package, locking diff, 68,760 on the miles, adaptive cruise, smart key, remote start, all of your lane assist, exhaust brake, 360 camera. Navigation, heated steering wheel, Apple and Android, massage seats, B&O sound system, garage door, auxiliary, power sliding glass, big panoramic sunroof, power folding mirrors with blind spots in them. So they do slide out. Great tow mirrors. All-weather floor mats. Super clean seat. Big number. Heated seats. It's a 6.5 foot bed. It does have these blocks, so looks like it's got a little bit of a lift on it. My guess is that's about 3 inches. Slow release tailgate with the tailgate step here. Fifth wheel prep. Your plug. Spray bed liner. No airbags deployed in the accident. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.